Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by creating a clean, measured working surface. Empty the Godrej Almirah and remove handles so edges are accessible. Measure each panel precisely, adding a 1/2 overlap for trimming later. Mark vertical center lines. Once measured, sand shiny lacquer spots lightly to help adhesive bond, then wipe with a damp cloth and let it dry completely. This prevents bubbles and ensures the wallpaper adheres evenly. So take these first actions deliberately before you cut any paper. With panels cut to size and pattern matched, apply adhesive recommended for laminate or metal. Either spray adhesive or paste, following product instructions. Position the top edge first along your center line, then lower and align patterns carefully. Smooth the sheet from the center outward using a wallpaper smoother or soft roller to push out air and adhesive excess. Make small lifts to reposition if needed. Once aligned, trim the 1/2 overlap with a fresh utility blade and a straight edge for crisp edge. After trimming, reinstall handles and hardware, using original holes or drilling through the wallpaper where required. Press seams firmly with a seam roller to lock them down. Make sure to wipe away adhesive smears promptly, and if edges lift, run a bead of clear wallpaper adhesive under the lip and press flat. If you encounter bubbles, you can either lift and reapply while smoothing or puncture the bubble with a fine pin, press out air, and apply adhesive beneath. This final attention keeps the finish professional and durable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.